Sir, Madam, I am Betty Mahinay Ligan, 36 years old, married. I live in Barangay 4, Sipalay City, Negros Occidental. I have 2 children, 1 son and 1 daughter. I was working in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia as domestic helper, taking care of 3 babies, 6 years old, 5 years old, and 3 months old. I am also cooking, cleaning, ironing, and I know how to operate washing machine, vacuum cleaner, microwave oven, and gas range. I was working there for 3 years, from July 2005 up to September 2008. If I'm hired, I promise to my employer to do my best and follow all my duties and responsibilities as domestic helper. Thank you.